Email marketing is the process of reaching or targeting audience and customers through email, right? It helps to boost your sales, revenue, product and services awareness, right? So, what is exactly email marketing, right? So, let's go for detail. I'll cover in this video what is email marketing, advantages and disadvantages of email marketing, when to use email marketing benefits, email marketing stats by industry, and last, how to do email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful marketing channel that is a form of digital marketing along with direct marketing, right? Through email marketing, you use email to promote your business, product, or services. And this can help you make your customers aware of your latest item or offer by integrating them into your marketing efforts, right? It can also play a vital role in your marketing strategy for lead generation, brand awareness, relationship building, or engaging customers between purchases through different types of email marketing, right? So, email marketing is one of the oldest digital channel, but still remain relevant. It's also considered as the most effective form of digital marketing as compared to other new form of digital marketing like social media, SEO, SEM, etc. So, move the next agenda advantages. Number one, permission based. When people share their email addresses with the businesses, it show a kind of trust towards the company. This result into more engagement and conversion as the customer are expecting promotion from the company, right? Second, give more control. Email marketing give you total control over the platform. It does not have any changing algorithms that can hamper your reach to the audience, right? Third, personalization. Based on data, it's possible to send personalized mail to the audience, right? This increase the possibility of delivering what the audience prefer, right? Next, measurable. Measuring insights make email marketing more crucial. This data help a marketer make data-driven decision, right? Next, scalability. Scaling is easier in case of email marketing when compared to other digital marketing channel, right? So guys, move the next agenda. Disadvantages of email marketing. Number one, inboxes are cluttered. The inbox of your target audience is already cluttered with loads of email from various brands, right? This make it extremely difficult to increase the open rate of emails, right? Second, no buying intention. User use email for communication and promotional email might annoy the user at a time. When formatted email that add some value to the user experience give more result, right? Next, time consuming. Building an email marketing list is a time consuming process. Businesses try to buy email list, but uh, this does not work, right? Building a genuine email list is very very important. So guys, move the next agenda, when to use email marketing. Number one, to increase brand awareness. When your prospects are prepared to interact, keep your businesses and your offering top of mind, right? Next, build relationship. Next, promote your content. Share excellent materials or pertinent blogs post with your prospect through emails, right? Next, generate leads. Encourage subscriber to provide their personal information by offering them beneficial resources in return. Promote your goods, right? Nurture leads. Create material for your audience that will delight them and help them achieve their objective, right? So move the next agenda, email marketing benefits. According to HubSpot, there are over 4 billion email users worldwide. So, if you are looking for a way to reach your customers, email is the perfect place to find them. As of 2020, email generate $36 for every dollar spent. 79% of marketers list email marketing as as their top three most effective marketing channel. Right. So, move the next agenda. Email marketing stat by industry. I'll show you. Number one, email marketing stat for B2B and email marketing stat. And last, I'll show you. So move the next agenda. How to do email marketing. Number one, define your audience. As with everything else in marketing, start with your buyer persona, understand what they want, and tailor your email campaign to your audience needs. Right. Next, set your goals. Before you set your campaign goals, gather some context. You will want to know the average email statistics for your industry, and you use them as a benchmark for your goals, right? Next, build your email list. Email list is a group of users who have given you permission to send them relevant content. To build that list, you need several ways for prospect to opt in to receive your emails, right? Next, choose an next choose email campaign type. Should you send new product announcement? Which blog posts are shareable? Right. All these things need attention. Decide which is best for your audience. You should also set up different lists for different types of email. So customer and prospect can only sign up for email that are relevant to them. Right. Next, create a schedule. Decide how often you plan to contact your list and inform your audience in advance, right? That way, they will know what to do, expect ahead of time. Forgetting to do this can lead to the creation of a large number of unsubscribed list and may even land you in their spam, right? Also, once you set a schedule, be consistent. So, move the next slide, guys. Measure your result. After you have completed all the previous step, it's important to know the performance of the email you have sent, right? You can track the KPIs of email marketing in it, like open rate, conversion rate, etc.
I hope guys you enjoyed and thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like.